It's that time of the week where your braids have become unbearable, dry, and dirty. Your scalp is itchy, but you can't scratch it because of the braids. So you end up smacking your head repeatedly to get that feeling out. But it's okay. That's what I'm here for, to teach you how to take out your braids properly and safely. What's good, YouTube? It's Nathan Xavier. I've had these in for like 3 weeks. My scalp is very itchy, very dirty, so I need to take them out. And I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So let's get right into the things that you guys will need. You want to get your hair elastics and section off the hair that you're not going to be taking out yet. You want to work one braid at a time. You get your Jamaican black castor oil or any type of sealant oil that you want to use. Put it on your fingertips, rub them through, and take out the ends. You know, I rubber band my ends because my hair will just not hold. So I rip off those ends. And yeah, just throw the rubber band because we don't need that no more. That's done. Get your rat tail comb and make sure you're using the end of the rat tail comb and not the actual comb part. Putting the end of the rat tail comb into the middle of the braid, starting at the ends, and just pull down. Just be very gentle doing this. But then I go in with my fingers and I do the pinch and like pull method. So as you see I'm pinching the braid and then pulling down and being very gentle. I'm not trying to tug too much of the hair out, working one step at a time. Once you get closer to the roots, you still want to continue with this pinch and pull method, but because these are cornrows, there's hair being added into the braid. We have to be able to take out the hair that's being added before pinching and pulling again. So the process, it's more of like a pinch, pull, take out, pinch, pull, take out, pinch, pull, take out. But that's only when you get to more of the scalp. When you're at the ends, you can still do the pinch and pull because there's no hair really being added. As you get better at this, you can start speeding it up a bit. Continue to stay gentle with your hair. And as you can see, a lot of the hair that's being added into my cornrow is the undercut. And the undercut's getting really long now. So I've been seeing that cornrows and like braids and twists, all those protective hairstyles have been helping my undercut grow. I've been growing my undercut out for 10 months. And I think this is amazing growth for what I've done so far. These are the results. This is how the braid out looks. It's looking very dry and dirty, but we're gonna get onto the other side and repeat the same process, starting with the oil and then working our way from the ends, pinching and pulling, and then as we get to the roots, we pinch, pull, take out. Dandruff was just flying everywhere, all over my shoulders, all over the floor. I'm never keeping in braids for 3 weeks again because this shit is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. This is how the complete braid out looks. It looks good. It just looks very dry and dirty. You can see the dandruff everywhere. Maybe I gotta start doing twist outs again. You know what I mean? Braid outs. My hair long. Another key important step is what you do after you take your braids out. So make sure you get in that shower and wash your hair. You saw how my scalp was. My scalp dirty, dandruff everywhere. The dandruff is like growing in dandruff. So the dandruff has even more dandruff on top of the dandruff. That's how bad my shit is right now. Because I did keep my braids in for 3 weeks, I'm going to lose a shitload of hair. Your hair naturally sheds like 100 to 150 strands a day. Now imagine 3 weeks of that without detangling because my hair is in braids. So I'm about to have like a hairball that's like probably like this big. And if y'all want a full in-depth tutorial on how to wash your hair, be sure to click the first link in the description. It is my wash and go routine, which basically covers everything you need to do in your wash day routine. So be sure to check that out. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So now we're in the shower with it. You want to get your shampoo and start shampooing your hair. I go in twice with shampoo. I didn't show both times, but the first time is really just to lift up all the dandruff and all the dirt and gunk off my scalp, wash that out. And the second time is to really get deep in there, into the hair shafts, into the hair follicles with the shampoo.
Said if you love me, why would you do it? I don't know myself, no, that one there's a work of art, but cannot fit on the shelf.
And you know we have to have the shower tunes. We got NEMS playing. Next we go into the conditioner and we just detangle through, starting at the ends and making our way into the roots. Y'all should know this. Y'all should know this. And to lock in all the moisture, I put them in 2-strand twists before washing it out. So the next step now is deep conditioning, the most important step. This is what's gonna do it all. It's gonna, yeah. I have all the full in-depth tutorials on my channel already. You just write Nathan Xavier, anything about hair. Nathan Xavier coils will come up. Nathan Xavier's deep conditioner will come up. You want the full-length tutorials? They're already on the channel. Let's get into it. So now we're deep conditioning, but first I'm gonna take this shirt off my head. I dry my hair with a shirt just because the material is a little safer on my hair compared to like an actual towel. The towel would just be ripping out the hair all the time, so I try to stay away from that and just continue using the t-shirt. I dip my hair and start applying the deep conditioner in, making sure that it is fully detangled, both the undercut and the overcut. I don't even know how to say it, just the rest of the hair basically. And after I detangle them, I put them in twists to lock in the moisture, and it just makes it easier for the next step where I put the plastic bag over my head. Yeah, I look crazy doing this, but this is necessary. And I applied the heat. I forgot to show me applying the heat, but we applied the heat and put the bonnet over. I kept it in for an hour this time because I had those braids in for 3 weeks. My hair needs all the deep conditioning it can get, and then I rinse it out. Now we get into styling, and recently I've been styling the undercut first before anything. So leave-in conditioner in the styling cream and then oiling it.
That look like one Hispanic ass nigga, bro. Oh my god.
And then after finishing the undercut, I go into the rest of the hair. Same process, leave-in conditioner, styling cream, hair growth oil, and massaging my scalp with it basically. And because I'm impatient, I'm gonna diffuse my hair. It's not gonna get it completely dry, but it's gonna get it pretty close to that. And these are the results after diffusing. As you can see, my curls, they're looking good. They're looking nice and defined, nice and healthy. I still have a few of the brown patches because of the bleach that I used to put in my hair. When I had the blonde patch, the red patch, the purple patch, and the second blonde patch, that's gonna be there forever because I don't wanna cut the hair yet. Eventually I will, and we won't have the browns no more. But after my hair is completely dried, this is how it looks. You can see that the undercut is kind of blending into the rest of the hair a lot better. It kind of acts like a seat to the rest of my hair, so my hair doesn't droop down no more. It kind of just sticks out. I've been messing with that recently. My hair's out my face, I can see again, but I do like when my hair was over my face. I'm not too sure. Maybe when my undercut gets longer, it'll start drooping over my face again. And that's how you properly take your braids out. Make sure you don't forget that you do have an aftercare. You don't just want to leave the braids in with all that dirty gunk in your scalp. Make sure you wash your hair, condition, all the things that I did. Another key thing is that you want to be gentle and patient. Don't rush any of this. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
Hey, dealing with niggas like Black Jazz, she send a snack, can't snap back. Running the field like a halfback, reaching my backpack, we push your cat back down.
I'm not.
Yeah, too good for this. Let's go.